Hello viewers, welcome to Telugu Dose. So many of us asking that what are the terms in accounting and what are the exactly meaning of accounting. So this is a short video. You will just understand what does accounting terms generally mean. Remember, these are the terms which are generally used in accounts. That is, accounts is a process of giving the summary of transactions. Suppose a business is, there are two businesses which are giving and sending goods called furniture, and the furniture worth is 1 lakh. Suppose what will happen is this has to be recorded somewhere, because company is not only sending this commodity to this company, it can be sending to any other company like CDE. So all these transactions are recorded in some book or in some statements. That statement is considered as accounts. So remember, account is a summary of transaction which records every items which are related to money. Now what is accounting period? Accounting period is 12 months period. It is not like the calendar period which we follow, like January 1st to December 31st. It is not like that for financial accounting or any other accounting. Remember, the accounting period, it is starting from 1st April to 31st March. Like this year 2026, assume April 31st 2026 till 31st March 2027. That is the accounting period. Then what is an asset? So, hello viewers, welcome to Telugu Dose and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So ఇవాటి వీడియోలో today's video we are going to see about the basic terms in accounting. So already I have posted the video where I explained about accounts, accounting period and assets. Now in this video I'm going to explain about balance sheet till liabilities. So not only the people who are having a financial accounting subject, the one who are into inter first year CEC or MEC, these terms are very useful for their commerce subject. So we'll start the video now. If you have not subscribed yet, you can subscribe the video. And I'm telling you that I have started financial accounting classes, all the syllabus of inter degree first year. So inter classes are already posted in the channel. Any doubts about the link, I'll post the link in description box. And in degree financial accounting, I have started explaining the chapters, so it is already there in playlist. The link is down in the description. Do check. Now we'll see balance sheet. I said you that assets are the one which creates the value. Like company, suppose a company is having machinery. So what will happen, that machinery is having certain value. So that kind of assets, that kind of properties are called as assets. So if you see, these are the items of value. It will have value like properties which are owned by the company. Now let us see what is balance sheet. Balance sheet, remember, there are two things in balance sheets, that are assets, that are liabilities. Assets and liabilities consisting in balance sheet. Balance sheet has two things only. It will record the assets and liabilities to know the financial position of a company. I hope till here it is clear. Then bad debts. Bad debts are the debts, like suppose a company, A company has given to B company 1 lakh, and this B company has to return it to A company because it paid. If it is not paying, B is not paying this amount, we call it as debt. Debts are the one which is the amount company has to receive. So here you have debts. Debts is considered as which are irrecoverable. It is not recovered by the company or debtors. That is called debts. Then comes capital. Capital is suppose I wanted to start my company called A. For this I need 1 lakh amount. To start a business, a company, I need one amount. That amount is called as capital. See, any other money is not a capital. This is the money which is invested by the owner, not any other company. See, suppose if I have money, I have kept that in bank. That is not called as a capital. The money which is invested to start or run a business, that is capital. Now who are creditors? creditors are the person who give money to the company. Like suppose A is the company where B gave money to A. B is giving money to A to run business. That are the creditors. The one who lend money is creditor. Who is borrower? The money which a company has to give. Creditors money is given to, suppose A and B are there. B is giving money to A to run this company. There are creditors. Now there are Z who is giving money, who is taking money from here. They are debtors. So borrowers are debtors, lenders are, in simple term you just remember, lenders and borrowers are considered as creditors or debtors. Now comes drawings. Drawings are the one which are drawn by the personal use. Owner withdraw the money or any goods for his personal purpose is considered as drawing. So though he is the owner, if he is withdrawing the money, it should be accountable. So that is considered as drawings. Then equity. Equity in the sense it is a right over the property. Who will have the right of property? The owner. The owner can claim the property of the company or any asset of the company is considered as equity. Equity in the sense a right of ownership for a property of a business. Of a business only we consider it as equity. Other than that, there is equity term is not used. Now expenses. I hope you all know the expenses. Expenses are the one which are spent for the business purposes. Suppose for business, to run a business we need wages to be paid to the laborers, then bills. All those will consider as expenses. Expenses are which are going out for a purpose of running businesses. Now what are incomes? Incomes are the one which a company gain in the form of sales. Suppose a business is running by manufacturing clothing. Suppose if they sell that clothes, they'll get money. That is an income. So to run that clothes machineries, we need color and machineries. All those would be expenses. I hope income and expenses concept is clear. Then comes the liabilities. Liabilities are outsiders. Like I just said you that creditors are the one who will give money to the company and in return they get interest. Liabilities are the same. Liabilities are equities. They are the owners of outside. So like they are creditors who will represent the debts of the businesses. And this is all about the basic terms in accounting. These terms will help you to understand the accounting concepts very clearly. Any doubt here you can just comment, and any videos which are related to it I am going to post. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.